وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ عَنِ اللَّغْوِ مُعْرِضُونَ. And those who turn away, who don't indulge in what is futile, useless. Lagh, you know, in Arabic doesn't mean sin, ma'asiyah, no. But something which is useless. The time is precious, time is money. Al-waqtu sayfun qati'. This time should be used only for one of the two purposes. Please beware, please beware. If you are wasting your time, you are wasting the most precious thing that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you. Heart is long and time is fleeting. And our hearts, though stout and brave, still like muffled drums are beating funeral marches to the grave. Every minute, every second is very precious. Either it should be used to fulfill some real need of this world, real need. That is also, inna li nafsika alayka haqqan wa inna li zawjika alayka haqqan, you have to fulfill it. Or otherwise for the akhirah. Spend it for some act, some deed, some action, some activity, whose reward you want in the akhirah. This concept of pastime and hobby and to kill time, I'm just, killing my time. It's only to those who don't believe in the hereafter. Because every moment of this life, potentially it is eternal. Please understand it. Because this limited life, the results of the works done here are to be returned to us in the unlimited life. What does it mean? This limited life, this limited time is potentially unlimited. Because whatever we are earning, the Prophet said, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, ad-dunya mazra'atul akhirah. This dunya is the farm where you have to sow something to reap in the hereafter. If you don't sow the seeds here, what will you reap in the hereafter? Mazra, farm. Ad-dunya mazra'atul akhirah. This is the farm, this is the field. Sow the seeds here, so you will be able to reap in the hereafter. So how can a moment have any minute or a second to waste, to kill? It's suicidal. To kill time is suicidal. You have very limited time.